everyone! Today, me and Nikki and I are doing 3 plus 7. So, how are we going to do this, Nikki?
So first I want to change it to 7 plus 3, so then we'll have less fingers to count.
Ah, that's a really great idea, because instead of making this on your fingers and counting with your fingers, you only have to do this. So it's going to be quicker.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's bring up that 7 so people can see it. So we're going to start off with 7, right? And put that in our minds.
And then 8.
So hold on, this is in our minds.
Yeah.
And for everyone you count on your fingers, I'll bring one up so people can see how this is growing. Okay, so 7 in our minds.
8.
Which finger are you doing first? Do you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's
9.
1 finger. Okay.
And then 10.
9.
Which we have
And
3
then
fingers. Yeah, 3 fingers.
10. So you made 3 fingers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we know then this is 7 plus 3, so altogether it's 10. But what's 3 plus 7?
10
Yeah, it doesn't matter if we go 3 plus 7 or 7
plus 3.
plus 3.
Because it's the same question, but
Yeah.
in a different order.
Exactly, because we're just figuring out the total amount, right?
Yeah.
Awesome!
Hello everyone. Today we're doing 3 plus 7 with Miss Tina here.
All right, Raha, how do you want to do this? We always, when we think about these questions, we picture numbers in our mind, right? So what number do you picture in your mind?
We picture 3.
Okay, so you picture 3. So let's go ahead and bring 3 up.
Yeah.
Now, do you picture 7 too, or do you picture this thing growing?
This thing growing.
Okay, so tell me how it grows, and I'll put orange ones so people can see how it's growing in your mind.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want? How's it growing?
Let's make 5. So let's add 2 more.
Okay, so you're going to add 2 more, and I'm just going to write it down so people see it. Okay.
That's not 7.
No, it's only 2.
Yeah. So let's add 2.
2 more? So if we added 2, and we got to add 7 all together, how many more do we have to add? So we added 2, and we got to add 7.
We add 3 more.
3 more? So if we add 3 more, that's not 7, is
I
it?
know, that's 5.
That's 8 altogether. Yeah, that's 5. 2 and 3 is 5. So, but we got to add 7.
Yeah. So I add 2 more.
2 more to that. Okay. So this was the 2 that you added. So let's just go over this again, okay? So you wanted to make 5. So you went 3 plus 2, right? There's the 2, gives you 5. But you have to add 7 in total. So you added that much more. So what did you split the 7 into? 2 and
3.
2 and 3, so then we only did that.
5.
5 here, yeah.
Then
So
3 plus 2 equals 5.
that's right here, yeah.
Add 5 more equals 10.
Equals 10. Raha, can you show me the 7 here? Can you show me where the 7 is?
You can see it.
Oh, you see it right here. Okay. So there's the 7 in orange right there. It's 2 and 5. But when you squish them back together, then it looks like this, which is how you like to see 10, right? Which is 5 and 5. So 3 plus 7 equals
10.
Awesome, Raha.